In this video, we're going to update the BIOS for our HP Z820. So let's go ahead and start. This page will be linked below. So if you have an 820, you want to update the BIOS, there is a new BIOS update in 2018. It's currently April of 2018. Now, of course, the first thing you'll want to do, other than coming to this page, is of course, hop into the BIOS on your HP Z820 and go to System Information. You can see the BIOS version on this one is version 3.65. The current version as of this video is 3.92. So come to this page. We're going to download it. Now I'm downloading this on a different computer just because I happen to have my screen recorder on this computer. So all I'm going to do is download it here. I'm just going to put it on a stick. We'll just move it over to the HP and then we'll do the installation. All right, that is all done. Head over here to your download just so you can see what it looks like here. And right there it is. So I'm going to put this on a stick and we'll head over to the HP Z820. All right, so now we have the file over here on our HP Z820. You could, of course, download this on your HP Z820. No problem. So I just have it on the desktop here. Go ahead and run it here. This is, of course, going to unpack it for us. Very good. This is just some information coming up about it. Right here. HP Workstation firmware BIOS update. You can read through that if you want. So what we're going to do is the HPQ flash utility there. I can zoom in there. And the reason, of course, we're using the camera is because I can't have Camtasia running while I try to update a BIOS. We can actually click here and we can actually launch HP Q flash from here, or we could actually head into this PC, our C drive, and right here you'll see SW setup. You can just pop into this folder here and you can see your HPQ flash. You can run it from here. So what we want is this HPQ flash is the way we're going to update it. Just go ahead and double click that and we'll go through this and update our BIOS to the latest version. All right, so let's go ahead and go through this. Make sure no other programs are open. Got to close everything. Next, and confirm the flash. So version of BIOS in ROM, you see that there. Version in system is 3.65. So we want the latest. Don't do anything. Just let this run. Right now it's saving the current BIOS, so we'll go ahead and let this finish. And now we are flashing the new BIOS again. Don't touch anything. So let's just let this finish. Okay, now right there towards the end, it might seem like something is frozen, but it hasn't. Just leave it alone. So the system must be restarted, obviously, to complete the flashing. It will do it automatically. We're going to go ahead and click continue here. And we should see that new BIOS. Okay, and hopefully down there in the corner, you can actually see that BIOS. I'm going to hit the escape key. So we'll head into the BIOS there. But you can see it right there. We successfully flashed it. 392. Awesome. And here we are in the startup menu. System information. And you can see that new BIOS right there. Awesome. So we're all done here. Press escape. Go ahead and continue startup. We'll get into Windows. Awesome. And we are done. We are here in Windows. Everything works fine. Now, of course, we can get rid of this file. You can also go to this PC and your C drive there and this SW setup folder. You can get rid of this here too if you want, but that is how you download and install and flash the new BIOS, the latest BIOS on your HP Z820.